Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today you see in the board HCF and LCM. We are going to find out the HCF and the LCM of these three numbers 4, 12 and 16 at a time. How to find the HCF and LCM at a time we are going to learn in this video. So HCF is the highest common factor and LCM is the least common multiple. So here, first, all the numbers are even numbers which are all divisible by 2. So if I divide it by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Again, all are even number, so we can divide it by 2, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now I'll again divide it by 2. So this is not possible. 3 is not divisible by 2. Then 4 is divisible by 2. That is 2 2s are 4. Right? Now, again I will divide it by 2. That is 1, 3, 1. Now we'll divide by 3. So it is 1, 1, 1. Now we are going to find out the HCF and LCM at a time. So what will be the LCM? First, I'm going to find out LCM, least common multiples. That means LCM is you have to multiply all the numbers. Whatever the prime numbers you have got, you have to multiply all the numbers. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So if we multiply all the numbers, you will get 48. That is the LCM. Now from the same format, how will find the HCF? Now HCF is now check here. This 2 is divisible by 4, 2 is divisible by 12, is divisible by 2. So we can take 2. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, all are divisible by 2. So we can take 2. But here 1 and 3 is not divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. These 3 and 1 is not divisible by 2. So we cannot take 2. Here 2 is divisible, but 1 and 3 is not divisible. So we cannot take 2. Here only 3 is divisible. These are not divisible. So we cannot take 3. So only we can take 2, these 2 and these 2 prime numbers. So 2 2s are 4. So HCF is 4. So LCM of these three numbers is 48 and LCM of these three numbers is 48 and HCF of these three numbers is 4. So if you are new in this video, so I would like to request to share, subscribe my channel so that every video will be reached to you. Thank you.